welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today what I'm gonna do is show you my new setup slash decoration. So if you like that kind of thing, just stay tuned. Okay, so we're starting off here at the door. I have my collage with my hello there. I think it looks cute. You can also see it in when I'm filming. We have a bench here. That's actually a rug that's on it, but it looks so cute and it fits perfectly, so I like it. Little skull. You go over here, you have another one of those rugs. Sorry, I should have fluffed it up, but I didn't. You have Boogie and Jack, and then that's my antique looking type of mirrored storage. Then I got this runner. It is like a spider web. And this is all of my like background stuff that you'll see. We have Beetlejuice, Sandworm. I've had this mirror for a long time. A Beware, a couple of globes, brass knuckles, a Jack Skellington, and I've had this. Welcome, let's talk about serial killers. I've had that one around. And I have just my makeup storage. It's pretty much the same. We do have some skulls back here though. I have my caboodles back there, a trash can that I didn't empty. Sorry. My vanity. Basically the same as always. My J, it's been there for a while. I am testing out a new ring light. So I'll test that out this month and see how I like it. Then we have my mirror. I've always had this mirror. Same mirror, same lights. I just put the little scarf with the skulls on it. Then you come over here. You just have a door hanger with some purses, some jewelry. The door never shuts. If it does, it pops open out. It's haunted. It's haunted, y'all, but whatever. And a little skull down there. But yeah, like I said, I am going to use this ring light for the month and see how I like it. And so if it's really good, I'll probably put it in my favorites. But it's really nice. Came with a little remote control. You can do red, green, blue. You even have where you can do like, right now it's like rainbow. Rainbow. And then you can like do, figure out how to do it. Well, how do you do it? It's just going faster. It goes to different colors. That's white. There was a lot of different settings. That just makes it goes faster. Doesn't that look cool? So yeah, I will give you an update on how I like this, but so far so good. I took the lights off of my vanity. I used to have just sticky lights around, and they did me good for what, you know, while I was using it. But see, that's bright. But this is more upgraded, so you know, so I should have a better time with lighting and all that. It's kind of to the side, so I know it'll be darker on this side, but I don't really have anywhere else to do my makeup besides the vanity, so we'll make it work. So anyways, if you like me showing my decorations, make sure you go down and like, make sure you leave a comment, and that's it for today. Make sure you follow all my social medias, and I'll see you next time. Bye.